So how can you get unlimited day trades without having $25,000 in your account? When I started trading, I watched so many videos trying to find a way around the PDT rule, but all of them said the same thing and none of them gave me a good solution. Now, after almost a year of trading, I found 5 secret hacks to trade as much as you want without having 25K, and in this video, I'm going to show you all of them. Secret number 1, offshore broker. So the first way to get unlimited day trades without having 25,000 is by using an offshore broker. Since the PDT rule only applies to traders in the US, one of the ways around it is to use a broker that's based outside the US where the PDT rules don't apply. The only downside to this is that some offshore brokers aren't very trustworthy, so it's important that you do your research and choose a reputable broker if this is what you want to do. I've never used an offshore broker for trading stocks, but I've heard that CMEG is a good one if you guys are interested. One last thing is that most offshore brokers don't have options trading, which is why I kept looking for other ways around the PDT rule, and that's how I found our next hack, secret number 2. Secret number 2, cash account plus secret options hack. So the second way to day trade without having 25K is to use a cash account. And I know all the other videos say this, but they don't mention the secret hack that makes it so good. Using a cash account rather than a margin account means that you can trade as much as you want, but once you spend your money on a trade, you can't use that money again until that trade settles. The problem is it takes 3 days for stock trades to settle, so you won't have any buying power for the next 2 days, which completely defeats the purpose. So I did a little more exploring, and after a while I found out about the options hack. And if you don't know what options are, just think of them like stocks on crack, where your profits and losses are pretty much multiplied by 100. But the secret about trading options is that the money settles overnight, so you don't have to wait for 3 days to use your money again. You can use it the next day. And since options leverage your trades, that means you can use much less of your buying power on each position, essentially giving you more trades per day with the same amount of money. If you want to see an example of this, check out my 10K to 25K challenge videos, because this is exactly what I do. Now, options do have time decay, which means that the value goes down over time while you're in a trade. So for someone like me who takes super quick trades, it doesn't really make a difference. But if you're someone who likes to take longer trades and you don't feel comfortable trading options, then maybe you'll like the next hack, secret number 3. Secret number 3, trading futures. So the third way to day trade without having $25,000 is by trading futures. Futures are kind of like options as you're trading leveraged contracts rather than shares of a stock, but they don't have time decay like options do, so they're better for longer trades. And for some reason, there's no PDT rules for trading futures. The only difference is that instead of trading companies like Tesla or Amazon, you'll be trading indexes like the S&P 500 or NASDAQ. There are other kinds of futures too, but those are the ones that most people trade. The broker that most people use for this is called NinjaTrader, and there you can trade with as little as $400 in your account. Now remember that futures are leveraged, so if you plan on doing this, make sure you manage your risk properly and practice your strategies before using real money on your trades. So let's say you like the idea of trading futures, but you don't have $400 that you're willing to lose yet. Then maybe you'll like the next hack, secret number 4. Secret number 4, trading crypto. The fourth way to day trade without having 25K is by trading cryptocurrencies. Just like futures, crypto does not have any PDT rules or restrictions, so you can trade with as little amount of money as you want. Most brokers offer leveraged trading too, making it possible to trade with an account as small as $1. In fact, I'm working on a small account crypto challenge right now, so keep an eye out for that if you're interested. There are so many different cryptocurrencies to trade, and if you can develop a good strategy for trading them, then I think this is a great way to get started on your day trading journey. With high leverage and low fees, the possibilities are endless, but again, make sure that you manage your risk properly, because certain cryptos can be crazy volatile, and one simple mistake can cost you big time. So if you don't think you're ready for that kind of risk, then maybe you'll like the fifth hack, secret number 5. Secret number 5, trading Forex. The fifth way to get unlimited day trades without having 25,000 is by trading Forex. Forex, or the foreign exchange market, is where you buy and sell different currencies like US dollars and euros as they go up and down in value. And just like futures and crypto, there are no PDT rules for trading them. It's kind of similar to crypto as you're trading currencies, but it's a lot safer since it is the world's largest financial market. For example, instead of trading cum rockets, you'll be trading actual dollars. Now, I'm not saying that there's no risk because it's still day trading after all, but at least you won't get caught up in any major market manipulation or pump and dumps. But since it's not as volatile, many Forex brokers offer high leverage, which can increase the risk if you want to. In the US, you can get 50 times leverage, or if you use an offshore Forex broker, you can get up to 500 times leverage. But these ones can be pretty shady, so please be careful where you put your money. Also, if you decide to trade Forex, don't get caught up in all the noise, because there's a lot of spammy Forex content out there, so make sure you don't fall for any scams and don't pay for information, because you can learn it all for free on YouTube or on babypips.com. Alright, so those are my 5 secret ways around the PDT rule if you want to day trade without having $25,000. If you got value from this video, please smash that like button so more people can see it, because this information really shouldn't be that hard to find. And don't forget to subscribe, because I got a lot of great content on the way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.